Hi, math students. I want to show you really quickly how to make a copy of a study guide so that you can make it your own. It's really simple. You'll just go up here to make a copy, and then you can choose in your file system which folder you want it to go into. Just make sure it's going into your school Gmail Drive, and you can name it according to the naming convention that I gave you. So this for me would be Ginny Carroll Algebra 1A. I know it's a bit of a long name, but it'll really help in the grading process. Unit 1 Study Guide. And it'll help you be able to see it too. So you just type in that name and click OK, and then it'll create a copy that you can then edit. You won't be able to edit the original, but the new one you'll be able to edit. So, and you can see the name is up here, and then when you go to share it with me, it'll be really obvious whose study guide it is, and I can give you feedback and grades appropriately if you are in a course that gets graded for study guides. Okay, thank you so much for taking a moment to listen to that.